Our top story tonight, hitting a major milestone during this pandemic. According to the White House, 70% of adult New Yorkers have gotten at least their first shot.
Now, Governor Cuomo has said most restrictions would be lifted once the state hit that threshold.
CBS 2's Jessica Layton live now in Harlem with the story. Jessica.
And Christine and Dick, despite that uplifting news tonight, there are still pockets of places right here in New York City where this new Delta variant that we're starting to hear more about could spread rapidly. So in the not so distant future, it could become another case of variant versus vaccine. These basketball courts in the Claremont section of the Bronx are drawing crowds, comfortable making moves with no masks, even in a community that isn't well protected yet by the vaccine.
Then the next month, I'm going to take it, but I just want to wait a little while.
Nadine McLeod lives here in zip code 10456, where the fully vaccinated rate of barely 32% is one of the lowest in the city.
I'm hesitant because a lot of my people have gotten sick off the second shot.
It's not that I don't trust it. It's just that the science hasn't been completed yet.
Everybody have a different belief.
And at 33.5%, the zip code 10039 of central Harlem and Washington Heights isn't doing much better.
I'm still a little hesitant because it's still brand new.
Monday, Governor Cuomo praised those New Yorkers who've gotten at least one dose, and the White House announced the state hit 70% who've gotten their first shot. That milestone number could mean the lifting of most restrictions, but the governor also warned municipalities must do more to address vaccine hesitancy in certain communities.
Get in there. Go door to door. These are the places where we have to target to get that vaccination rate up.
Especially as the concerning Delta variant becomes an increasing danger. The variant makes up 10% of new cases in this country and is doubling every 2 weeks.
These are variants that are very concerning.
Dr. Niketson Paul knows the toll this variant can take on those who are not vaccinated. The deadly Delta strain originated in India and was responsible for the death of some of his family and friends there.
In what way could the Delta variant threaten the progress we have here in the U.S.?
It will cause people who have no vaccination to succumb to the virus.
Which is why he says extra attention must still be given in terms of access and education, especially to the areas that are lagging in their vaccination rates. Live in Harlem tonight, Jessica Layton, CBS 2 News.
All right, Jessica, thanks very much.